The beginning of the class, we started off with Om, A, U and Ma, 3 syllables. A represents the wakeful state. U represents dream. Ma represents deep sleep. One meaning of that one who pervades both all wakeful, dream and deep sleep phase is Om. One meaning of that one. A means apti. Apti means vyapti. When we start expanding outside, one who gives the knowledge in the wakeful state is called as A. Is called as Vishwa. A is called as Vishwa, one who gives the knowledge of the outer world, gross things is called as A. For the gross world, to get the gross knowledge, we need the material cause. Earth element should be there, water element should be there, fire element should be there, air and ether. Combination of these 5 elements, he gives the gross knowledge through Vishwa. Now, I go to sleep, I go through, sometimes through the dream phase. It's called as Ma. Ma is called as Taijasa. Taijasa is the light. Now that to see in the wakeful state, I need a material cause. Material is required. In the dream phase, it is more beautiful than the wakeful state. In the dream, no earth element is required, no water is required, no fire is required, no air is required, no space is required. In that, we see the dream. Beautiful dream we see. We are a spectator, someone is running the film show, we are just observing. Who is running that film show? That is Taijasa. Someone runs the film show, we are a mere spectator. How the dream comes? It is based on our samskaras, our past impressions from this life and past lives and various unfulfilled desires or cravings which is not accomplished. It is trying to come in the dream phase and try to express itself. In the dream phase, it is giving the subtle world. In the wakeful state, wakeful gross world, and here in the subtle world, it's a subtle things. Or we see sometimes horse with a monkey face, or various combinations, permutations and combinations. One limb with a monkey limb and another is a dog limb, one leg with a human leg, various combinations. It happens. It's a dream phase. Here in the, that is a Vishwa Taijasa. In the Vishwa also light is required to see the things. Here dream also. Some light, Taijasa. That light, inner light, we see the dream. Beyond that one, we go into deep sleep. When we go into deep sleep, Ma, A is a wakeful, U is a dream, Ma, dream and deep sleep. In the deep sleep, what happens? Our soul embraces the Supreme Lord in the heart. It's in the Upanishad, Manduka Upanishad, it says it is nothing but pra-ajna. Ajna means ignorance, full of ignorance. Here, when we are aware that we don't know anything in the deep sleep. When we get up, we say, I did not know anything. And awareness of ignorance is there. I did not know anything. It was raining so badly, I did not know. Awareness of I do not know is there. Awareness of self is there. I do not know. Awareness of I is there. awareness of time is there. From since last night 10 o'clock till this morning 6 o'clock, I did not know anything. Awareness of time is there in the deep sleep. But when I wake up, I say, I slept blissfully. Ananda is there. In the deep sleep, bliss is there. That's why in the Upanishad also says, we unknowingly we go to sleep, we want to experience that joy, that bliss. But the problem in the deep sleep, we are not aware that we are in bliss. Only when we get up, we say, I was in bliss. Only after waking up, bliss is there. But that bliss is combined with ignorance. I do not know. That bliss. And but these three phases, A, U, Ma, wakeful, dream and deep sleep, are common to everyone, all animals and humans. No effort is required. But Upanishad says, you are not here only to experience these three. There is the other one, fourth one is there. You experience that one. Fourth one, it is called as Turiya. And Turiya, to experience, you have to put in effort. What is the benefit of Turiya? In the sleep, when I get up, bliss is there, but it is ignorance. In the fourth one, there is a bliss is there and knowledge is there. Jnana, Ananda, knowledge and bliss. You have to get that one in the fourth one. For that, efforts have to be put in. Effortlessly, it cannot come. You have to put in. Work hard to get that one. When you experience that one, knowledge and bliss. In the deep sleep, I do not know, I am in bliss. Only when I get up, I am in bliss. When I experience the fourth, you can experience the bliss with the knowledge. Knowledge is the bliss. Knowledge is the protection. When you have the knowledge, that itself is a bliss. To experience that one, it's a meditation. Takes us to the fourth one. We have to experience. Don't get satisfied with like most of us, wakeful, dream and deep sleep. There is something beyond that one. Experience, that is the sadhana. That is through sadhana you have to experience. That is the fourth one. Through this term we will touch upon this, we'll keep this one as a theme. We will touch upon these three and the fourth phase. The meditation, what is the purpose of meditation? To experience the fourth one. And in the Patanjali in the second chapter, he says, whatever samskaras, whatever past impressions you have, whatever negativities you have, when you experience the fourth one, all past samskaras will not haunt you any longer. You are in bliss with knowledge. Go for that one. That is the best investment we can make. Other three investments in the wakeful, dream and the deep sleep, it's a diminishing return, whereas this one, the return is multifold. Invest on this one, on the fourth one. And we'll do the